A Gold IRA allows individuals to diversify their retirement portfolios by investing in physical gold and other precious metals. This investment option is favored for its potential hedge against inflation and economic downturns, providing a safeguard that often retains its value better than traditional stocks or bonds. Selecting the right Gold IRA custodian is crucial. Consider their fees, security measures, and overall reputation. It's important that they offer a range of options for metals such as gold, silver, platinum, and palladium, which are approved for inclusion in a Gold IRA. Setting up a Gold IRA involves specific steps. Start by completing necessary paperwork, then roll over funds from existing retirement accounts. Careful selection of gold investment types is crucial for compliance and to maximize potential benefits. Effectively maintaining a Gold IRA requires understanding its storage options, tax implications, and contribution limits. Secure storage ensures safety, while familiarity with tax rules helps in optimizing the financial benefits, and adhering to annual contribution limits enhances investment potential.